Hey guys, this is going to be a quick video. This is my Radiola 20. It's up and running. Only thing I actually had to do for it was get a battery eliminator. So I built one to supply the different voltages, and I'm going to be uploading the schematic to that probably in a couple days, so it'll be on my Google Drive, which you can get to right off my page on YouTube, on my channel. Anyway, I thought I'd show you that it does play. It's nighttime here, and so a TRF radio don't do too good at night. Because they don't have an AVC, so everything fades. Earlier in the day I was picking up a lot more channels. Plus I got a lot of noise tonight for some reason.
Christie's every move cheated, others only talk about. He defunded Planned Parenthood, vetoed more tax increases than any governor in American history, cut 800 programs and billions in spending, beat the unions to reform teacher tenure. You want the president, the guts to stop the liberals ruining America, who cares about you and has your back. Because the presidency won't be about me. It'll be about you. You play by the rules. You pay the taxes. You do the hard things to raise.
Basically, you got to work with about 4 different controls. There are 2 veneer fine-tuning controls here for the first 2 stages of amplification. They're just tunable capacitors that tie in parallel.
And what if it's all shipped directly to your door absolutely free? DirectEats.com is here. Direct Eats gives every consumer the freedom to find the best food at the best price
with the tuning
for their
condenser.
diet, taste, or needs. That's because at DirectEats.com, the whole country is your...
And so you got to deal with those, and then of course your station selector, which is your variable tuner, and then amplification, which is a tickler coil. You bring it in too much and it starts squealing. So you got to keep fiddle with all of them. This one here is the actual A battery adjustment. Keep it about 3 volts. It can go up to 3.3. So it's a pretty weak station right now. I don't have any stations down low that are close by. They are strong stations anyway. But anyway, it is working. The battery eliminator, which is sitting over on the bench here, yeah, we'll just take the camera off tripod, so bear with me. I got it plugged in because I forgot to charge it. So opposite of the battery eliminator. We have 4 B pluses, or 3 B pluses. There's 135, 90, and 45 here, the red knobs. 2 C, or negative bias voltages, which are around minus 4.5 and around minus 22.5. And then your A battery here, which is running through a regulator. Here it's an LM317. I got a couple heat sinks tied onto it to keep it cool. And then we 6x4 rectifier tube. And I developed all these here as just a voltage divider like I showed once before when I talked about negative and positive voltages and stuff. It's the same principle. So, and then of course a little light and a switch. This is the radio. Basically all I did to this radio was clean it up. I cleaned the front up, took this apart, took the escutcheons off and everything, and got them cleaned up, and then just cleaned the wood. It didn't need anything more than that. Pulled the knobs out and everything, and because they're just on shafts and they just come all apart. Cleaned them up and then lubed them up and stuff so they work real nice. Cleaned up the deck some. The only thing I've actually replaced on this is just the battery wiring. It was really badly frayed and would be shorting out, so I put on a new wire for that. Other than that, she's running on the original caps. There's 7 caps in it. Mostly, basically, they're steel or brass, tin-plated brass and mica. I think this is the only probably paper one, which doesn't seem to be leaking in this can here. So, say it's fading in and out right now. So, and then on the front, like I said, we have our 4 controls. That's your volume. It's your battery, which runs off the gauge there. You can take it all the way down and bring it up, which would be the 3 volts coming out of that regulator. And then the 2 fine-tuning veneers. That just first and second stage of RF. There's 3 stages. And then a detector. Runs off of the RF, and detectors are supposed to be 99 tubes, and the audio output is a 20. The detector acts both as a first audio and detector. So you got RF, RF, and RF. First audio and detector, and then your audio output. These 4 tubes are supposed to be 99s, only 3 of them are. That's what it came. This one's actually a 20. And of course this the audio output tube is a 20. So anyway, that's basically all I got on this. I'm going to probably rebuild this thing. I just slapped it together with stuff I had and make up a different chassis so that it's a little bit neater. But I will draw. I got the schematic drawn up. It's not real pretty. It was just a sketch, and I want to draw up something a little better. So it's and a parts list, just in case anybody wants to have one. This is a schematic to it. I can kind of set it here. But you got your 135, 90, and 45 being developed off through a voltage divider. Then we hit ground here. And then from that point, everything becomes negative. Negative 4.5, negative 22.5. It's pulled off the center tap of the transformer. The 6x4G tube a couple 47 microfarads with 13K. I think it's like 4 watt, 3 watt resistor. And then I pull off the 6.3 winding, feed it down through a bridge rectifier, 3300 microfarad cap here, an LM317, which you adjust this resistor. You run this at 240 ohms. You adjust this. The higher it goes, the more voltage this thing puts out. The lower it goes, the less voltage it goes out. Then 150 mic on the end just to kind of stabilize it. It puts out about 4 volts, and then the front control will tune it down to that. Ended up putting even with everything in here, she was still wanting to run a little hot, so I put a 90 ohm resistor on the input, and then a 1.5 amp fuse and a switch. So anyway, I will try to draw this thing up a little neater on some different type of paper and get it up probably in the next day or two. So check in a couple days on my Google Drive, and you'll find it on there. It'll be underneath the Radiola, RCA Radiola 20 battery eliminator. That'll be the name of it. So coming up on next videos, the next video will be finishing up and stuff on the Philco 60. It's I've been working on it. It's basically done. I just need to do alignment, so I thought I'd do that on video. Some of you guys might be curious about how to do alignment on a Philco 60. So I thought maybe we'd do that. So that'll be the next video coming up. And I want to take a special note. I'm going to go ahead and shut this off. I just want to let my French viewers know that I'm right with you there. You're in my prayers and everything. And we understand, after 9/11. So we got your backs, and we're standing with you. So you'll be in my prayers and everything. So I just wanted to let you know about that and stuff. So anyway, guys, I think I'll end this now. I know it's kind of a short video and stuff. The speaker I'm using is a Peerless speaker I use on a lot of the different videos. Normally it's not in the case. That the speaker's in good shape, other than it needs a new wire on it. But the case is definitely in dire need of some serious attention. I've got to get to it and get it cleaned up. Anyway, so I guess that's about all I got. So if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. If you like videos like this and you're new to my channel, I do videos on old tube equipment, radios, TVs, and stuff of that nature. And I talk about some theory and how things operate. So if you like those kind of videos, you're new to my channel, you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. We'll know when new videos are coming up. So again, thanks for your comments, guys. Thanks to my new subscribers. And I'll see you guys on the next video.